Stop!
Hey, this is our place. Why are you staying here? You have to leave this place.
ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಜಾಗ, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನೀವು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಜಾಗ, ಈ ಜಾಗವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಿಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ.
What you are saying?
Can't leave this place.
Why? You have to leave this place. By tomorrow, don't stay here. We come tomorrow.
ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಹೊರಡಬೇಕು.